ChatGPT and other AI chatbots can create art, figure out problems, and author entire books. But you have to be smart using AI. I'm Kim Komando, America's Digital Pro, delivering tech smarts daily via email at getkim.com. Anything you give, prompt, or tell an AI chatbot is being collected to improve it for everyone. We really don't know how this intel is being saved and used. Here are 3 things not to share, starting with your personal info, like your date of birth, credit card numbers, bank accounts, social security number, or medical ID. If you upload an image for AI to analyze, redact your details. 2, your relationship troubles or mental health struggles. When you sign in to use the bot, these chats are tied to your account, and who knows where that convo will end up. 3, any original programming code or creative content. The AI chatbot can use it to help someone else out. Along the same line, share no trade secrets, business plans, or company email too. And for more tips like this, hit that like button, share with a friend, and don't forget to subscribe.